Did you know you can still play PUBG Mobile in India in 2026? In this video, I'll show you the exact method to download and play it without any complicated steps. So as you can see, I'm playing the official PUBG Mobile global version in India, and you can easily play it on both Android and iOS devices. First, let me show you how to play PUBG Mobile in India on an iPhone. So I'm using the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the first thing that you need to do is open the App Store, tap on your profile, open your account, select the country and region, and set it to United States. I'm selecting the United States and that's it. Now just normally search for PUBG on the App Store and you will see the app there. Install it. And while you are on the App Store, install a good VPN. I'm using the VPN Super Unlimited proxy. After the apps are installed, launch the VPN and connect it to another country. Then launch the PUBG application. Log in with your account. I logged in using my old Facebook account. If you get stuck on the login page, then close the app, relaunch it and try again. As you can see, I am now in the PUBG lobby. The VPN is active and now let's start a deathmatch. So as you can see, the PUBG is running very smoothly on my iPhone, and even with the VPN, I am getting a latency of 112 milliseconds. My ping is quite high because the Wi-Fi in my area has been having some issues for the past couple of days. But if you have a good stable internet connection, you will get a ping below 100 or even below 50. Basically, it depends on your internet connection. The faster your internet connection is, the less latency you will experience. I also played a battle royale match and the experience was similar. No major lag and the gameplay was smooth. Now let me show you how to play PUBG Mobile in India on an Android device. I'm using the S24 Ultra for demonstration. So first things first, open any browser and search for PUBG Mobile Global. Open the Softonic link, download the PUBG APK from here and install it. After that, open the Play Store and install a good VPN. I am using the Super VPN Pro and I usually connect to the Singapore server. After connecting the VPN, launch the PUBG Mobile application, log in with your account and done. Same here, I logged in with my old account and now I'll start a team deathmatch. Sometimes you will also get stuck on this matchmaking page. In that case, just close both the VPN and PUBG app. Reconnect and relaunch them and you're good to go. The overall gameplay is very smooth and there are no FPS drops. I also played a battle royale match and the gameplay was similar to TDM. It was running quite well. And that's how you can play PUBG Mobile in India on both Android and iPhone. As long as you have a stable internet connection and a good VPN, the game runs smoothly without any major issues. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more useful tech tips and gaming guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.